Hello, CA Padasali family. Once again, welcome back to my channel. This is a part 3 of a video of Unit 4, that is a performance of a contract. In previous videos, we have seen about that is we have seen about the effect of refusal of acceptance of offer and time and place for performance of a promise, and about the joint promiser and joint promisee. Then payment, that is performance of a reciprocal promise we have discussed about, and appropriation of payment, I think so. Wait, appropriation of payments we have discussed about in the previous video. In this video we are going to see about contract which need not be performed with the consent of both the party and discharge of a contract. In this case, it is defined under section 62 to 67. That's all for this unit. About this up to 67 it covers in this unit. Next sections we will discuss in next units. We can see that is section 62 as effect of novation. In this case, the both the party agree to discharge the contract and they will not perform with the mutual agreement. They will not perform any contract. Okay. First section is section 62, that is effect of novation, rescission and alteration of a contract. In this case, novation means, we can see with this example, A wants B 1 lakh, A and B are A and B, A, B and C agrees that C will pay B and he will accept 1 lakh from C in lieu of the sum due from A. A's liability thereby shall comes to an end, and the old contract between A and B will be substituted by a new contract between B and C. In this case, novation is effected. Next, recession means when there is some restrictions is given in a previous contract. So that is rescission. In this case also, both the party will not perform the contract. Next is alteration. When there is a alteration in a old contract, then the old contract need not be performed. That the altered contract should be performed. In this case, the old contract need not be performed by both the parties. Next section is section 63, that is promisee may waive or remit performance of a promise. In some cases, the promisee will dispense or dispose some person from contract from performing the contract. We have seen in reciprocal promise effect of release of one joint promiser. In this case, the promisee release one joint promiser from performing. That and all comes in this category. Next, restoration of benefit under voidable contract. In this case, there is the both the party need not be performed. Both the party are agreed and need not be performed. When there is a benefit received under voidable contract, the both the parties, that is the affected party, will make a contract with that superior party. Thus, that don't want this benefits, restoration of benefit. I want that contract to be affected. In this case, the restoration of benefit under voidable contract is rescinded. Next, it is dependent on section 65, that is obligation of a person who received advantage under void agreement or contract that becomes void. In these cases, when some rights or obligations received under void agreement, it should be restored or returned to the true owner. But in some cases, both the party will agree and they need not be perform this contract agreement. Next is section 66, that is communication of rescission. Rescission means, that is resigning the old contract. It is cutting or shutdowning the old contract. In this case, both the parties need not be performed. Next, final section is section 67, that is effect of neglect of promisee to afford promise or reasonable facility for performance. In this case, when the promisee is neglect or knowingly or um, unknowingly neglect to afford a reasonable facility. Likewise, when you we can see with this example, A and B are made a contract to A that is selling cotton to B. In this case, when there is a heavy rain, the B is, did not give any proper shelters or any facility for loading and unloading mans. In this case, the promisees did not offer or neglect to offer affordable promiser to offer reasonable facilities, that is reasonable facility for performance, then it must be will not be performed by both the party by mutually. Next is discharge of a contract. This is a last topic in this unit. Discharge of a contract. This is discussed under, I think, 9 points where contract to be discharged. First is discharge by performance. When the contract is performed, it should be discharged by mutual agreement. We have seen in this topics, that is by mutual agreements they will discharge that contract. Next, discharge by impossibility of performance. In case of impossibility of performance, it should be discharged by law. Next, discharged by lapse of time. In some cases where the time is essential, when you act beyond the time, then it must be discharged by lapse of time. Next, discharged by operation of law. In some cases, when law are changed, it should be automatically the contract become discharged. Discharged by breach of contract. In these cases, when a breach of contract is effected, then automatically the contract is to be discharged. Next, seventh point is promisee may weigh or remit performance of a promise. We have discussed previously when the promisee is giving some offer that you need not to be performed. In this case, the contract is discharged and comes to an end. Effect of neglect of promisee to offer promise a reasonable facility for performance. When the promisee is did not offer any reasonable facility for performance, then automatically the contract is discharged. Next, final topic is merger of right. When the one party have both the inferior and the superior power, when the rights are merged, the one right is need not to be performed. We can say with this example, A took a land on lease from B. Subsequently, A purchased that very land. Now, A becomes the owner of the land as well as the leaser. The earlier contract should be terminated. That is, when the contract made during the lease, that contract should be terminated. Yeah, that's all for this video. We have discussed about up to Unit 4. In next videos, we will revise Unit 4. And next videos, we will see about Unit 5 and 6 elaborately. Please do subscribe to this channel so you will not miss out any videos from this channel. Thank you.